Say the name for us.
Jabari Howell.
Alright, Jabari. Big victory here at Excelsior. First of all, tell us how the game panned out for you.
Well, it was a good game. You know, we come out here to execute well, and we did it.
So what do you think about your performance today?
I think I did my all because we need this victory to go on top of the group, and we did it.
Alright. First of all, how is the season going for you personally?
Season going good, you know. I didn't score as yet, but it is going really great.
Any assists?
Yeah, I had about 8 assists.
8 assists?
Yes.
What's the target? How much assists, how much goals?
15 assists and 10 goals. You know?
10 goals? Not bad, not bad. You think you're en route to that right now?
Yeah, definitely.
And what's the target for this season overall? Trophy? What do you think? What's the target?
Going for the 3 trophy this season.
3 trophy?
Yeah.
All right. In regards to qualities, your qualities, would you say that you mask the game off? Which player you look at and say, well, me play like the player?
Well, Tony Cruz, because I watch him a lot, you know.
Yeah. You're about that?
Yeah.
All right. Well done. You're a good game.
Yeah.